If you're trying to memorize the 17 essential GCSE maths formulas by continuously writing them down, you're setting yourself up for exam day panic that's going to cost you up to an entire grade. Here's the GCSE maths formula sheet that you need to have memorized. And you know why traditional memorization methods fail under pressure? Because you remember everything, you memorize it, and then all of a sudden, when you're stressed, when you're panicked, when you have anxiety, all of that goes out the window because you have not remembered it in a logical kind of way. If you want to successfully memorize formulas, you don't want to spend forever just writing them down over and over and over again. You can do that a little bit, but there's a way better way of doing it. You want to create rhymes and mnemonics and actually understand what the formula is asking you to do and why it is the way it is. The other thing that you want to do is you want to actively recall the formulas as you're revising. Do it outside, do it inside, do it everywhere, and then when you get to that exam, you will have been so great at recalling it before, you'll have no problem remembering it when you need to. You want to use acronyms, you want to use rhymes, you want to use visual images that you associate with every single formula, especially if you're a visual learner. A great example is the circumference equals pi times diameter. How can you remember that? Cherries, pies are delicious. C pi D. So easy, right? You definitely want to spend quite a bit of time understanding the logic behind each equation. Connect it to what it actually signifies and means and start to build a story and an understanding around that equation. If you want to get amazing at something, what do? You practice, because practice makes perfect. So you want to start recalling these formulas every single day. In the morning, wake up, let's recall maths formulas. In the evening, before bed, let's recall some more maths formulas. And then of course you want to do some chunking. So you don't want to start memorizing and recalling every single formula when you're doing it. You want to do maybe a few formulas here, a few formulas there, and a few formulas there. And as you build up closer to the exam, you can start to recall all of them because you're well practiced and it won't be overwhelming for you. When you master formula recall at this level, you're not just preparing for your GCSE maths exam. You're developing memory techniques that will serve you through your A-levels, into university, and into your top level career. Comment formulas below if you're tired of blanking on formulas in your exams. The memory technique you've just seen is only the beginning.